Just a couple of minutes before the market opens here. I'm kind of thinking we might get a choppy, a bit of a choppy open here. Our SVI looks clear. It's all beige. That's good. Right now the market's kind of mixed, but we'll see what we get here at the open. Like I said, ideally if we could see things weaken up and play a kind of a gap fill short, that would be ideal, but the market could go up. And again, we got news at 10, and that's can always be can shift the market. So okay, market is open. And everything's kind of all over the place here in terms of strength. It's like Nasdaq's firming up a little bit.
Trade signal long MNQ.
Oh, I think I missed that.
Order pending.
Let's try that Nasdaq to the long side here. It's a mixed bag, it's a mixed bag. It's kind of like we saw yesterday. The Dow is getting weak. Turn the Dow onto the short side here. All right, nope, doesn't want to do that. You got some 13,038. You got some resistance right off the get-go here at MNQ. But let's see if it can firm up a little bit. See if we can get that S&P to try to break to the upside. All right, here's the resistance. This is what we gotta hope they can get some follow through here. Break that little resistance level. Like I said, we're going to need help from the S&P, which is kind of trading right back where it opened. And that's not what we want to see. We want to see that thing take off so we can get in a good position here. All right, your Russell maybe on a brink. That might be another one to take to the long side. So Nasdaq and Russell, the stronger markets. S&P not quite there yet. Dow definitely not there yet. This is very similar to yesterday's action here, though the Dow is not as weak as it was yesterday. All right, let's see how this plays out. Like I said, it's going to help if that S&P can get up, start breaking out to the upside. Actually, you got your Dow starting to try to break up to the upside. All right, so we'll see how this finishes out here.
Trade signal long MYM. Trade signal long mess.
Order filled.
All right, guys, just wanted to make sure we absolutely got those two contracts off. We'll see about more follow through here. You did get the S&P, finally did break up to the top, but you're at resistance here. Russell not on board yet. The Dow is helping. All right, that's good. Next resistance, 13,083. Right, above that, you've got yesterday's high on the NQ. They can test that. But do remember, we've got news at 10 o'clock, and we've got an inside gap up with a short bias. I'm just going to move my stop, if I can grab it, right below that little swing low there. And because I just don't want to give, well, what I'll do is this. If we can get up to that resistance before the news comes out, let's go ahead and take that and call it a trade.
Order filled.
All right. All right, so that worked for me. I got to take off. I got to teach a class this morning. But so we'll see if they can start getting outside of yesterday's highs. So above 3,100, that's going to be another kind of round number resistance as well. Your Dow's got a way to go. You know, here's its yesterday's high. Same with the other markets. So nice easy play. Didn't go right to the target, you know, on the first pass, but eventually it did. I guess we picked the right market anyway. And like I said, you got about 20 minutes before the news comes out. So just manage your stuff. You could trail with the trailing stop here. Just let the software do its thing. And like I said, just be mindful. We do have gaps below the market here. They could certainly fill that. If we start getting outside of yesterday's highs, then maybe we start breaking out of that daily range. But all right, we'll see how it finishes out. So just manage your stuff, and you know, it's always good to have green in the morning.